Are you looking for the best wood stove fans? In this video we will look at some of the 8 best wood stove fans on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Voda Heat-Powered Stove Fan. First on our list is the heat-powered eco-friendly Voda Fireplace Blower Fan. Highly rated and reviewed, this fan is mostly suited for central vac-natured rooms and buildings mostly. Top features. The fan is powered through the heat of the fireplace and thus it does not need any batteries or electricity for it. Warm air is efficiently circulated throughout the room from the vac outlets or either directly as well. The fan consumes very low energy and yet has a high energy efficiency, durable and innovative 4-winged design. This will give you much more warm air circulation than the traditional 2-winged battery-powered or electricity-based fans. Very silent in its operation. The fan automatically starts to function when the temperature around it reaches about 185 degrees Fahrenheit. Has a decent 240 CFM maximum capacity value for money and great for wood stoves and other use cases as well. Comes in 2 more different colors as well. Number 2. CWLAKON Heat-Powered Stove Fan. The second product on our list comes from a reliable brand called CWLAKON. This has automatic controlling system and providing highly efficient and quality products across America. Their wood stove fan is a combination of expert design and amazing features. Top features. This fan support is made up of high-quality anodized aluminium which can resist temperature of maximum 650 degrees Fahrenheit. Even at high temperatures, it will not lead to any discoloration and deformations. The thermoelectric module acts as small generator which powers up the fan's motor. It doesn't require any electricity or battery for operation. The bimetallic strip present under the base will automatically bend when the temperature is high in order to protect it from overheat. Some of its features include real-time temperature monitoring and self-regulation based on temperature. It doesn't produce any sound during operation. Number 3. Tomersun Heat-Powered Stove Fan. Tomersun's triple-bladed heat stove fan has a similar design principle like the Ecofan we listed above. This one too does not need any electricity or battery to function and comes with an aesthetically pleasing design. This is perfect not only for fireplaces but also for log burners or wood stoves as well. Top features. Compact size that easily fits by the fireplace of most sizes and is made out of durable aluminium material that comes with great sturdiness. Has 3 blades for optimal redistribution of hot air throughout the room. It requires no batteries or electricity to run and just runs on the heat generated by the fireplace. Automatically adjusts the speed of the machine with the surface temperature of the fireplace thanks to the bimetallic safety device at the base of the fan. It has a very large lifetime and can even withstand temperature rises above 300 degrees centigrade as well. The safety device in the fan will elevate the fan's front for protecting the motor and that take more warmth all over the room with very little or almost negligent energy consumption. Number 4. Galafire Wood Stove Fan. The stove fan from Galafire is made of premium anodized aluminium for high efficiency and remarkable thermal conductivity. It is an ideal choice for having the right warmth at a reasonable cost. Top features. The fan generates its own power by converting the heat from the wood stove into electricity. With a compact size measuring 7.44 by 2.95 by 7.28 centimeters, the fan can be a perfect addition to all kinds of stoves and can easily fit into narrow spaces. This automatic fan runs at full speed when the temperature of the stove is too high and gradually comes to stop as the temperature drops. It saves so much money as it does not require any electricity to work. As the fan evenly distributes the heat across the room, you maintain the required temperature without burning excess fuel. Moreover, the fan gives complete peace of mind to you while it is turned on due to its absolute silent operation. Warranty. There is no mention of a warranty from the manufacturer. Number 5. Caframo heat-powered wood stove fan. Next on our list is Caframo's heat-powered wood stove fan. This wood stove fan features two blades that are engineered to effectively disperse more air with less motor drag. Using this fan, you can provide warmth to your living space up to 31% quicker than other fans. Top features: made of aluminium that makes it lightweight and easy to install. Provides up to 125 CFM airflow capacity that is ideal for distributing heat for small-sized rooms. Has an effective heat dispersing range of 240 square feet. Highly efficient and helps you save up to 14% in fuel by providing efficient heat distribution. Operates at a surface temperature range of 2120 F to 650 OF. Operates quietly without producing any noise. Compact size of 9 by 5.5 by 3 inches allows you to install this fan even in small and tight spaces. Warranty: backed by a 2 years warranty from the date of purchase. Number 6. Ecofan heat-powered wood stove fan. Ecofan wood stove fan features an all-metal construction that makes it durable and long-lasting, and with the two blades, the wood stove fan distributes heat evenly throughout the room. Top features: the wood stove fan provides 170 to 190 CFM ultra-quiet operation, as there are no moving parts inside the fan except the blades. There is maintenance work involved apart from putting oil on the blade shaft occasionally for a smooth and quiet operation. Has a built-in fire stroking indicator that lets you know when you have to stoke the fire. When the fan slows down, it is an indication the heat is less, which means that it is time to stoke the fire. The fan comes pre-assembled and you can use it right out of the box. You may save as much as 18% on fuel consumption. Warranty: Ecofan backs this wood stove fan with a long 2 years limited manufacturer warranty from the date of purchase. Number 7. Heat-powered wood stove fan. With a clear-cut finish and black color, this heat-powered wood stove fan has a sleek look that goes well with your house decor and wood stove. Speaking about the performance, the wood stove fan has 3 blades to provide warmth throughout your living room. Top features: efficient heat distribution from your wood stove helps you save up to 12% in fuel consumption. Provides an effective airflow rating of 150 to 180 CFM that distributes heat evenly throughout your room. Operates at the temperature range of 500 C to 3500 C. Made of aluminium that makes the fan lightweight with just 1.3 pounds. Small size of 7.8 by 7 by 3.75 inches allows for easy installation in compact and tight spaces. The wood stove fan self-regulates its speed according to the ambient temperature in the room, which also acts as a fire stroking indicator. Warranty: warranty information is not provided. Number 8. Hanaoyo heat-powered wood stove fan. Hanaoyo's wood stove fan is one of the most powerful options on our list that offers an impressive performance. Furthermore, the fan comes with many durable features that increases the lifespan and provides you value for money. Top features: patent-pending 6-blade design made of wood and aluminium to make it lightweight. Perfect for providing warmth to large rooms and distributes heat evenly throughout the room. Starts to operate automatically when the room temperature reaches 1400 F. Quiet operation with a noise level of less than 25 dB allows you to enjoy a peaceful atmosphere. Minimal maintenance, including dusting off the blade and pouring oil on the blade shaft occasionally for a smooth and quiet operation. It has more efficiency of 55% of air circulation throughout the room. Warranty: while warranty is not specifically mentioned on the product page,